Tesla semi-truck is a full electric semi-truck with active features, massive range and a spacious interior design for maximum visibility. The Tesla Semi will be presented at the Commercial Vehicle Exhibition in Hannover, Germany. This is the first time the truck will be shown in Europe. Elon Musk, who visited Germany on 13 March 2024, and he said at that time the second vehicle will be built in Berlin, will not be a passenger car but the Tesla semi-truck, the electric truck from Tesla, which has been delivered to its first customer since the end of 2024, and it will be now built soon in the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg. The Tesla electric truck is set to be optimized and then delivered as a new version to customer in January in 2024 and 2025, and additionally it is expected to cost as much as regular diesel truck.